Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Okay, so welcome to Chicken Block. It's Skyblock, but chickens poop out diamonds. Yeah, it's not OP at all. Anyways, if you're wondering, I would continue my 1000 Days Skyblock series, but the world got deleted for some reason. I really don't know why. Anyways, I decided to continue, or not continue, but start a new series called Chicken Block. Yeah, it's not OP in the slightest. Anyways, I have played this before. I got it when it was first released on the market. So yeah. Since I know how to do stuff, let's do. Ooh, I have not played this in a while. Classic Skyblock Island. Actually, no, Chicken Block. What? I don't know, isn't the classic Skyblock Island like a little tree and stuff? Let's do keep inventory false. Show coordinates true and hard difficulty. And there's something around here, like I'm looking for a barrel and it's supposed to have a skeleton chicken egg along with some other goodies. I think they changed it. Oh, that's a dropper. Oh. Wait. Where's the stuff it's supposed to come with? What? Huh? Is it randomized? What? Anyways, Skyblock. Chicken. Press the button to teleport to your island. Ooh. So there's a skeleton chicken spawn egg. I actually did explore the map a little bit, and I didn't find anything, and I just found that, but looks like they updated it. Yay! Anyways, I spawn in a cauldron. Oh, there's so much wood here. I'm so happy. Anyways, I get a bee, a sand chicken, a dirt chicken, a cobblestone chicken, and a log chicken, along with a crap ton of stuff. Saplings, items. Wow. Why would I get bees though? Anyways, let's put in the garbage. Garbage. This is not how I remember it. Yeah, this is not how I remember it. Also, where's the gravel chicken? See, there's log, dirt, cobblestone, sand, and skeleton. Yeah, what? This is not how I remembered stuff. Anyways, chop down tree. Oh, there's a beehive. Oh, there's no log. Okay. Anyways, mushroom. Dirt. 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 I guess I'll just patch up the holes. Can I have more seeds? Oh, okay. No! I missed the seed. Anyways. wood. I don't know why I would want to be. Like, oh my gosh, for Christmas I want to be. Why? Just why be? Anyways, sapling here, and I guess I'll just spawn the bees. I don't know. Bee. X. Chop, chop, chop. Turn everything into wood. Okay, looking good. I didn't even spawn a chicken yet. I'm the best. No! I'm so mad right now. There. I'm good. Anyways. Oh yeah, I forgot trash. Let's make an enclosure for our chickens. I'm thinking that we could have like some slabs. Yeah, like the chicken coop could be like over here and stuff. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Anyways, we need fences. And I'm not dumb because see what I can do, right? It's this. I get string and wool. Do I have one more? Let's just make a bed to set our spawn point. This does not look pretty, but it works. It's efficient, so I like it. Anyways, we have no stuff. Crap. Slabs. So like out like that. Yeah. You know, I really thought I could go so much further. I'm trying to save some lot. What? I'm trying to save some lot. I'm trying to save some logs because trying to save some stuff because I need ladders to get in and out. I'll show you why later. Okay, never. Anyways, here it goes. I am the best Skyblock player out there. Anyways, nope. I'm the best. No. Come on, can stuff fall through here? I don't think so. I hope not. I need more fences. Stick. I have no more wood, which is a problem. Can I? You know what? Tree. Thank you for growing. Anyways. There goes all of my wood. Oh, and I need more. I'm honestly the best. Oh, and I still need more? I am not at all triggered. I am just, you know what? I don't even care. I don't even care. Let's see. What do I need? I definitely need seeds. So I will, this. I have a solid 2 seeds. I guess I could use the dirt here. Oh my, I've been doing this for so long, it's already night. I better get to sleep. Please hurry up sleeping. I'm a farmer. I need to continue farming my crops. I just realized that it's been an entire 10 minutes and I haven't even placed down a chicken yet. Welcome to Chicken Block, everyone. Don't mind the floating beehive. Don't mind it at all. It's supposed to be there, really. Can the pollen like fall on the seeds so they grow? Because growing would be nice. Anyways, bone meat. Yay! Happiness noise. I'm so happy that my tree grew. So happy that this tree grew. Okay, so now if I just clear my way out into the crafting table, I can just do this. I can make stick, 2 more fences like that. See, I don't want to use a fence gate because that'd just be really annoying having to use a fence gate because then the chickens could get out. Anyways, flour. And then X like this. And then here's a big brain move. So what I want to do is like this. I need ladders. Stick. More stick. Ladder. And wait like that. Okay, so see, you place it there. Okay, then the chickens could jump out, right? Then you place another block. Then how am I supposed to get in / out? Ladder. Ladder. I am too big brain. Anyways, let's see here. No! I want water. Anyways, throwing some. Oh wait, 9 apple. Holy crap! Is that some trash has been thrown away? Anyways, oh yeah, I forgot. I need to do something. So I need more. No, you know what? Yes. I need slabs. Boop. Just that. I do care. Can I like? Okay, apparently I don't care. Anyways, break all of the leaves because they're annoying. Boop. And then we get more slabs. And there. And then here. I think I want to move the farm. Can I just get I am so sad. Anyways, let's actually have a log chicken now. Cobble chicken, sand chicken, dirt chicken, skeleton chicken. I'm not gonna push the sand chicken into some fire yet, because I want to do some breeding right now. Where do I put all my seeds? Crap, there. Seeds. Just throw away some trash. Okay. Yeah, I think I want to move farm. I'll be taking these dirt blocks with me. Don't worry, I will replace you with wood blocks. Chest, give me wood. Yes. Okay, I think I'm gonna have the farm in like this area here, so. Whoa, first time I'm using the pickaxe. No, it's mossy cobblestone, no. Mycelium and skeleton chicken. Guess who doesn't have a mycelium chicken? And guess who has a cobblestone chicken? Anyways, this is a good farm size. Just have all of this. Yes. Anyways, what do I want to read? Hold on, let me get my handy dandy notebook so I know what I've read. Intense waiting is over. Anyways, I have my handy dandy piece of paper. Oh yeah, see, there it is. I have my handy dandy piece of paper with me, so now I know. So now I can breed stuff. How about we feed? What would dirt and cobblestone make? Feed and feed. What about if I feed this one? Oh, okay. And you two, mate. Oh, I have Grass. Hello and welcome to the world, Grass Chicken. What if I feed the Sand Chicken with the... Oh, I can't feed the Skeleton Chicken. Okay, so that was what? The Wood and the Dirt Chicken. I'll write that down with my handwriting that's really good. Pen, do you have ink? Okay, you do. Wood, dirt, which equals, don't die on me. Wood plus dirt equals grass. Okay, that's good to know. Anyways, I don't have a mycelium chicken. It's sort of a problem because I'm pretty sure mycelium and dirt equal something. I don't know. They're sort of opposites. Anyways, boop, 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 boop. Why won't you grow? Do you want some bone meal? Want some bone meal? You want some more bone meal? Oh, the bone meal's in my inventory. Are you just not gonna grow? Well, what if I mine that up, place that down? Why aren't you growing? Do you want that? Do you want that area? Over here? Oh. Okay. I want leads. I want leads. How would I get leads? I need slime. Anyways, let me just plant a tree. Because agriculture is awesome. And then go to sleep. Anyways, what could I do that's interesting? I don't know. Ooh, more chicken breeding, I know. Okay, so, oh. Alright, you pooped out some sand. I like that. I like how you pooped out the sand. Anyways, can I feed the dirt and the sand? Alright, what does that make? Red sand. How cool. What about the log, skelly, cobble, threesome. I need more seeds. Did that, wait, what? Did that not give me any seeds? Okay. And hence... Oh, seriously, what? Alright, that's all I'm gonna do for now. This is boring. Anyways, ooh, cobblestone. Good job. You made some cobblestone, and that's what counts. Can I breed the log chicken? Did I try the cobblestone chicken yet? What about you? 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 Oh wait, that's just another red sand chicken. I don't want more sand. Die. I think I'm gonna have to wait. No, I don't want another grass chicken. Wait, what? How's... Okay, never mind. He's not alive anymore. Don't worry. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna wait until I get more stuff. These bones. Cobble. Tree, you wanna grow? Thank you. X. I'm probably gonna need a lot more wood until I can start the thing that I really want to do, because I want to make a mob grinder, like a really good mob grinder, and that requires tons of resources. If I'm correct, I think it's like one chest worth of stuff. So yeah, beetroot, yeah, pumpkin. What would I use pumpkin for? I don't know. These are questions that need to be asked. Anyways. Give me all the stuff. Can you please hurry up? I want content. Can I have content? Please poop out content. Content. I want content. Give me content. Please. Please, can I have content? Please? Yeah, I guess not. I guess the chickens are refusing to give me content. And if they refuse to give me content, I can't really do anything. So I guess this is the end. I don't know. I don't know. Can you make the tree go faster? Please? What do you bees do? Do nothing. I can't even get glass bottles. Why? Because I don't have a furnace. Because my cobblestone chicken doesn't poop enough. I want you to poop more, okay? I want you to know that. If you don't poop, I'm gonna stop feeding you, okay? Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna feed you. Also, grass chicken, please poop too. I need all of you to poop. Like, a lot. Please. Thanks, I guess. Because you see, I really want iron, and I don't know the rating thing for iron. Because if I get iron, I can, like, you know, get tons of stuff and stuff. I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm gonna just get more wheat seeds, I guess, because so far I didn't record any of the failures, and that's actually pretty important. So, yeah. Oh, and I also forgot to do sand and dirt. Sand plus dirt equals red sand. Okay, this is good. What should I breed next? What are the two? Hold on. What would make sense? Dirt plus sand would equal red sand because I guess dirt's sort of red. And wood and dirt would make grass because wood's sort of green and stuff. And dirt is dirt, so grass. Well, it makes sense. What wood and skeleton. Let's see, wood / leaves plus bones. What about cobblestone and skeleton? Sand? Would that make white concrete? Oh, thanks for the bone, I guess. Let's see. We get stone, which is actually cobblestone, but whatever, shut up. And skeleton, which is made of bones. Cobblestone, which is stone, plus a skeleton, which is made out of bones. Sticks and stones may break my bone. Alright. Bam. Bam. Mate. Okay, let me just record that in my list of failures. Okay, got it. You two are failures. Yay, tree. Wait, is this one of the big trees? Cause that'd be sort of nice. Okay, no, not a big tree. You want to poop more, please? Okay. I just feel like I'm not losing hunger. Yeah, the difficulty's hard. I have not lost hunger. I mean, that's good. I'm not complaining. But I'm just saying it's sort of odd. Another tree grew. Time to chop this one down. I'm probably gonna lose saplings, but whatever. Anyways, let me go back to the hub. Okay, yeah, so you see everything is here. They don't die. They probably have like region 6 billion. Let's see in the lobby, like here. If I punch this, I can read this. Okay, so basically what I got out of that book is, it's useless. It's pretty much useless. Anything new here? Gold is valuable. Use it to barter with piglins. Bottle of honey from the honey chick. But what? It's open to island. Composter. One chicken only spawns at night. I need more tips. I need more tips. Yep, I'm not smart. Find chickens in the nether. New items can be found by fishing. Give it a go. Oh, fishing! Fishing! Wait. I need water to fish. And I don't have a bucket. I don't even know. Wait, do I have water? It's a question. Cauldron? No. Alright, so. Okay, yeah. So the cauldron will fill up with the water when it rains. And can you fish in a cauldron? I want iron and water. I want items that I don't have. Thank you. Get this, but yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of this episode. What did I accomplish? That forcibly breeding chickens can give you diamonds if you're good enough. I also learned that if you try to breed some stones and a skeleton, it'll not work out. And apparently dirt is red and logs are green. I'm learning so much right now. You should learn from me. Please don't, though. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be it. Book, I don't need you. You're trash. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, share, subscribe so I can take my editor out of the basement. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.